Welcome in the next session of Surge Yoga Meditation. Hope all of you must be trying it, practicing it at home every morning and evening, and must have felt some vibrations. In the previous session, we have seen how this divine energy entered our subtle system, and in the process, when it entered our subtle system, it gave energy to the central nervous system, left nervous system, and right nervous system. At that time, we were in our mother's womb in the form of a baby of 3 months, and the skull bone was in the form of a prism. Refraction of energy takes place at that time, and the central nervous system, left sympathetic nervous system, and right nervous system, all these energy channels get their respective energies. Today we'll see in detail how the two energy channels are helping us. First, let's talk about the left sympathetic nervous system. It is also known as Ida Nadi, and it starts from Muladhara chakra, travels towards the left side of the central nervous system, parallel to the central nervous system, crosses at our Agnya chakra, and then comes towards the right side. This channel is taking care of all the past recordings. It's helping us to keep the recording of all the things all the events that have gone in past. So this channel is having the power to keep us related to the past activities, to remember the past activities. At the same time, it takes care of our emotional aspects. And the best part of this channel is it gives us the power of desire. But when we use this channel in excess, if a person thinks a lot about past, so this channel gets exhausted, and finally thinking again and again of the past, it gives lot of depression, because once the thing is gone, the event has happened, nothing is in our hand, and thinking again and again won't help us. So automatically we go towards depression, and at the same time, because of depression, we suffer from many diseases like migraine, cancer, all the mental disorders, and depression itself keeps us away from the society. It takes us towards isolation. We avoid social gatherings. Now, being a teacher, this won't help us. A teacher should be emotionally a strong person, a happy living personality, and the left channel should be very positive and very balanced in our profession. So we have to keep in mind that we should not exhaust our left nervous system. On contrary, our right nervous system is giving us other powers. It's yellow in color, and it is known as Pingla Nadi. It starts from Swadhisthana chakra, travels all through central nervous system, right side of the central nervous system, crosses Agnya, and moves towards the left side. This nervous system is helping us to plan the activities. All the planning, future planning, is done with the help of right sympathetic nervous system. At the same time, it's taking care of the physical, the active physical aspect of our body. So these both are having the different qualities. One is taking care of past, other is taking care of future. One is taking care of emotional aspect, the other is taking of physical aspect. One is giving us the power of desire, the other one is giving us the power of workforce. Workforce means the ability to be active. If this channel is again excessively used, then again we are in trouble. A person is when we say I use my energy a lot, always thinking about the future, if I'm workaholic, no, it won't help me after a period of time. After a particular age, we definitely suffer from blood pressure, insomnia, and disorders related to kidney. So it's important that we should be in balance. And at the same time, if we think that, yeah, I'm doing this, doing this, I'm doing this, that I factor leads us somewhere in our heart or brain. We, not deliberately, but yes, we get egoistic, we get aggressive. And if a person egoistic and if we are aggressive, it won't help us. People around us, students, teachers, our colleagues, they won't be we will feel to have that social connection, cordial connection among our relationships. So it's very important that we should be in balance. And for getting in balance, we have to clean both these channels. Today in meditation, because when we will get rid of the past, the thoughts related to the past and the thoughts related to the future, there is a moment when we were completely thoughtless. And when we sit in meditation, what Sahaj Yoga is helping us to do, it is helping to clear both these channels and to concentrate on the central nervous system. So today when we will meditate, we will first do the cleansing of the two channels, and then we will concentrate on our central nervous system. So first, please see me with open eyes, and then we'll close our eyes and do the entire process of meditation. We'll keep both the palms in front of Shri Mataji and we'll request her to take us in the state of meditation. Then first we will keep our right palm towards Mother Earth and offer some prayers. Then back on the lap, left hand towards ether element. Here we will offer some prayers for the cleansing of our right nervous system. Then this hand will be back on the lap. Then with the help of our right hand, we'll offer some prayers on our heart, left heart first. It's the side of our workforce. Therefore, we are taking the help of our right hand and keep it on our left heart. We'll offer some prayers on this chakra. Then Agnya chakra, that is forehead. Then we will come towards Sahasrara and offer the prayers and try to be in the state of thoughtless awareness. Okay, so let's start. Keep both the palms, sit comfortably, keep both the palms open in front of Shri Mataji. Let's look the photograph of Shri Mataji. Slowly, we'll pray her, Shri Mataji. Right now, I surrender all my thoughts. Please bless me with the state of thoughtlessness because I want to establish myself in meditation. Slowly we will close our eyes. Both the palms are open in front of Shri Mataji. We'll keep our right hand, right palm towards Mother Earth, and slowly we'll close our eyes. We'll pray from the bottom of our hearts, Shri Mataji, please clear my left channel. Shri Mataji, please clear my left channel. Our attention will be on the right palm. Negativities of left channel will go towards Mother Earth. Slowly, we'll keep the right palm on the lap. Left hand towards ether element. We'll pray to Shri Mataji, please clear my right channel. Shri Mataji, please clear my right channel. Our entire attention is on the fingertips of left hand. The negativities are going towards ether element. Slowly, our left hand on the lap. We'll keep our right palm on left heart. And we'll pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, by your grace we are pure spirits. Shri Mataji, by your grace we are pure spirits. Our hand will be on forehead, Agnya Chakra. We'll keep it nicely as if we are holding at the time of headache. And we'll pray her, Shri Mataji, by your grace I have forgiven everyone, including myself. Shri Mataji, I have forgiven everyone, including myself. Now we will keep our right palm on Sahasrara and press there, and we'll move the skull, the skin of the skull 7 times. And with all devotion, we will request Shri Mataji, please bless us with self-realization. Please establish my self-realization. Slowly, we'll keep the hand on the lap and we'll just observe the vibrations on the fingertips or on Sahasrara. The flow of vibration is very soothing, cool and relaxed. Just observe that. We'll slowly open our eyes and see Shri Mataji's photograph. We'll join our hands and say thank you. So, whenever we'll do this meditation at home, we'll follow now this balancing process positively, because this will really help us to get the balance. And it is just like lesson plans are our desires, then the execution part, the planning we do, the strategies we make. Okay, so that is our workforce. And at the time of execution, when we are in front of the children, we are always in present, because we change the strategy whenever we want, the way we want, and that makes the lesson really effective. So let the lesson of life be as effective as possible. When we got the blessing of learning something, we are learning it, and it will definitely give us fruitful results. So with this, let's conclude the session. We'll meet in the next session and we'll learn more about all the chakras in detail, one by one. Thanks for joining. Namaste.